Did you know that you can actually see how many subscribers each video earns and loses on your YouTube channel? This is important to watch because you can gauge which type of videos you're making increase your subscriber count, meaning your current audience likes that type of thing, and which one loses subscribers, which means your audience does not like that. So if you're testing things, maybe trying different videos on your website, you'll be able to quickly see really what your current subscriber base wants more of. So YouTube Studio, currently still in beta here, you can see at some point that's going to be, everybody's going to have YouTube Studio. This is where you're going to get to the new YouTube analytics. So click YouTube Studio. And then we're going to take a look at all of our analytics by, on the left-hand side, go down to Analytics. And then click on See More. All right, now you're going to be able to see your videos that are performing. And I've got up here my last 28 days. And now what I'm going to do is go over to subscription status, or I can look right here at subscribers. So I can see how many subscribers that video has brought in. So clearly, let's look at one of the standouts here. You can see my other ones are all bringing in 1, 2, 3, 4 on this particular channel. And all of a sudden we see one that's got 37 new subscribers. How to make money from a blog affiliate marketing. So I'm thinking to myself, my goodness, well, this one might be saying that people want to see more from me around affiliate marketing, or it may be specifically to around blogging. Now I can sort my subscribers highest to lowest and take a look and see what else might be performing well, how to build an IDX website. Now some of these, you might be actually getting more subscribers because you ran an ad, you promoted that video, or that video happens to be ranking higher. So I kind of look at this as I roll out new videos. I want to look at which ones are getting more subscribers and which ones are not, and you can look at that there. You can also click on subscription status and view more details, and I'll get into more of that later. You can also look at subscription source. So I'll be breaking down a lot of these analytics, but this is one way that you can view how many subscribers each of your videos is winning and how many it's losing. Also find out how many subscribers a video earned or lost from the actual video itself. So if I go into one and I click on that video, and then on the left-hand side, I go to Analytics. This is from a desktop. Then I can see here total watch time, viewers, subscribers for a particular time frame. So if I want to do the lifetime since it was uploaded, I can see that this video earned 51 subscribers. So this is one of those videos actually that performed really well, but did not gain a significant amount of subscribers. So this is kind of just, you can get really lost in the analytics, but there's just a few key things that you want to be paying attention to, what's working and what's not working, so that you know how to do more of what is working.